Hello, this is Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily video for Monday, February 15th, 2010. A quick reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky, so please don't trade any real money until you've established a proven track record of success on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to tune in to tomorrow's video to stay updated. Well, the US dollar was able to set a lower low on Friday against most of the majors as the market continued to find reasons to buy the buck. Fundamentals are now being questioned as traders wonder how Greece's debt problems may affect the longer-term growth prospects within the Eurozone. Today's action will be interesting as the president's holiday will limit price volatility to Tokyo and London sessions as US banks take a break. We'll pay attention to price action, but we doubt it will warrant any confident buy or sell recommendations. We'll also be paying close attention to the equity and commodity markets this week as we feel they will lead the dollar to further gains. Currently looking at the euro dollar on the daily, trading at 136.16. Our first level of support is going to be at the 135.70 figure. Below that, we'll be looking for 134.20. And below that, we'll be looking for the market to find support at 133.20. Our first level of resistance will be at 136.60. A break above that will find resistance at 137.50, which is near the 10-day moving average. And of course, if the market breaks above that, we'll be looking for 138.50 and 140 as the next levels of resistance. Next up, we'll take a look at the pound dollar, trading at 156.60. Our first level of resistance will be at the 157 level. As we can see here that the market is forming a nice range between 157 and 155.50. We'll be looking for either a breakout, we'll be looking for a close above the 157 figure, or we'll be looking for a close below the 155.60 level. Our first level of resistance will be at 157. A break above that will target 158, followed by 158.50 and 159.20. We're expecting the dollar to continue gaining strength, so if that does occur, the pound will find support at 155.50. Below that, we'll be looking for 154.70, followed by 153.50 and 152.80. As we mentioned about 3 weeks ago, we're looking for the market to continue coming down to the 150 level before finding a major level of support. Our first level of Next up, we have the dollar Swissy, trading at 107.60. Our first level of resistance will be at 108. A break above that will lead to 108.80, followed by 109.50, and a top at 110. Our first level of support will be at 107, followed by 106.50. A break below that may target 106, followed by 105.50 and 105. Finally, we're taking a look at the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, trading at 90. That's exactly where we're going to find our first level of resistance. The market has had a tough time closing above the 90 figure. Now the market is trading just above the 90 level, about 90.03. We're going to still mark it as resistance because this has been a very difficult area for the market to break above. It may wick up to 90.30 just as it did on Friday, but overall we're looking for the market to close lower and then for the market to continue heading lower back down to the 88.20 level and then perhaps even lower than that. So our first level of resistance will be at 90. Above that we'll be looking for 91.40, 92, and 92.30. First level of support will be at 89, followed by 88.20, 87.20, and 86.20. Below that we'll be looking for a double bottom at 85. The double bottom may occur between 85 and 86.20 as it did in late November. So now that's what we're looking for on this pair. If you'd like a more detailed analysis with our potential trade opportunities, please join us in the members section. This has been Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com free daily Forex video for February 15th, 2010. Until tomorrow, good luck trading.